Hello, students. I wish we were doing this face-to-face because this is a really fun project. But I'm going to show you a couple of things that we put together for you. So we're going to go to the annex, the red square on the home page of nchslibrary.info. And we are going to go to the Living Poets link in quarter 3 for English. And you can see this is organized by tab. So in the first tab is your assignment. The second tab is only marginally helpful because it is a photograph of, yes, the print collection of poetry. So that's not so helpful right now, but if you want to search the catalog, you might be able to find some electronic resources that can help you. But that is something for you to focus on as you're purchasing poetry for our collection. You will see that we don't have a lot of electronic content. That may be something we're looking for. Maybe we want some ebooks for poetry. We do have a database that exclusively searches for poems and short stories. So it's full text, it's the full content, it's right there, and each one includes a citation, which is kind of handy. As far as online resources are concerned, I made the first tab Twitter to remind you that Living Poets is a hashtag, and you can certainly do some work there. Do not forget that there is a second tab here for websites. We've posted a lot of resources that are really excellent. It gives a description of each one with obviously a link to the website. So that's pretty helpful. Poets to consider. We have a spreadsheet here. If you want to go out to the actual spreadsheet, you can do so here. You might want to make a few edits. You will have editing privileges shortly. The pitch. So this is your rubric for what to do in your pitch. And you also have a link to the assignment on that page just so you can review it. And how to build a wish list. So you're going to build a shopping cart literally in one of our vendor databases or one of our vendors' portals. Tidalwave.com is where you're going to go. This explains how to use it. And your budget is, ta-da, $68 per student. Now your task is a wee bit harder than last year's because they've bought and pitched some living poets already. So now we're trying to find things that either that are supplemental and different from what they picked last year. So your challenge is a wee bit harder, but there are also new people out there. So enjoy it, run with it, have a really good time. This is a fun project. And then here's an exemplar, right? And so I put that in there and we are good to go. Now, just so you know, if you have any questions for the library, you can come here and click on the virtual library link and you can join anytime. Yeah, now I'm in two places. So that will help. You can pop in anytime if you have any questions about what you're doing, or you can't figure out how the shopping cart works, or you can't find poems, or the database isn't working, or whatever. Just let us know for sure. One thing you should know in the databases, I just remembered that, is that in the database, the description, it has right here, whoops, right there, bit.ly /NCHS access. That's going to give you username and password information for all of our databases. So definitely go there if you're prompted for a username and password and it's not happening. I don't think you're going to have that problem there. But that will tell you how to get to the username and password. And that's closed only to ncpsk12.org users. So if I get an email from even your mom's account, I won't know and I'll just say no, sorry. Okay, that's it. Wash your hands, be safe, don't touch your face. Stay home. And we hope to see you really soon. We miss you.